The Logitech Ergo K860 ergonomic keyboard is a game changer for anyone who spends countless hours typing. Designed with comfort and efficiency in mind, the K860 is perfect for writers, coders, and professionals who demand more from their keyboards. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its ergonomic design, complete with adjustable tilt legs that let you choose between 0, -4, and -7 degrees for the perfect wrist angle. This customization helps reduce strain and promotes a more natural typing posture, which is crucial for long typing sessions. The keys themselves are silky smooth and incredibly responsive, making each keystroke feel satisfying and effortless. Combined with the built-in wrist rest, which is covered in a soft, non-abrasive fabric, the K860 provides unmatched support and comfort. The wrist rest feels plush without being overly soft, giving just the right amount of firmness to keep your hands relaxed. Another major plus is its compatibility with both Mac and PC systems. Whether you're a Windows Power user or a devoted Mac fan, the K860 works seamlessly across platforms. Connecting the keyboard is equally versatile, with options for both Bluetooth and USB cable connections. This dual connectivity ensures you can use it with a wide range of devices, whether you prefer a wireless setup or the reliability of a wired connection. What sets the K860 apart is how it marries functionality with comfort. It's not just a keyboard, it's a productivity tool that adapts to you, making it easier to type for extended periods without discomfort. For those who prioritize ergonomic features without compromising on performance, the Logitech Ergo K860 is undoubtedly the best choice. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you manage with a standard keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.